60. The Church. Few things make me more angry than church members who whine. I've been a member 2 years and the pastor has not called on me yet, nor have any of the members. However, there are few things which I do not hear more often as I go from coast to coast. My answer is simply this. If you are able-bodied and have no problems, why haven't you called on the sick or elderly or the shut-ins in the church? Did you join the church to serve the Lord or to be served? The Bible requires a pastor to give himself to the ministry of the Word and to prayer, Acts 6:4. Do you have a higher word from God which gives you the right to command the pastor to hold your hand and cater to you? The church is called to be the Lord's army, not your private hospital room. Its calling is to prepare the Christian soldiers for action and to enable them to put on the whole armour of God, Ephesians 6:10-12, and to be strong in the Lord, not weak sisters who constantly need to have our hands patted. One such complainer recently was a young man in his 20s, able-bodied and healthy. His pastor had spent a year and a half in and out of surgery and was some Sundays barely able to stand in the pulpit because of pain. Several young couples also saw fit to forget his past services to do some present complaining. These things make me angry. I don't believe that the Lord is any the less outraged. The Lord is the Lord. He's not ours to command and to use, neither is his body the church. Don't join the church to get in the way of Christ's church or to treat his pastors as your bowing and scraping servants. The church which pleases you will not please the Lord.